Good afternoon, folks. We're about to not go flying today. I thought I had a good adventure planned for us today. We were gonna go meet up with my brothers, and I got some time off away from the kids, so I was gonna do an overnighter, but I had a bad mag check on the old Chief here. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this trusty spark plug wire is not in good shape. I made it a little bit worse, trying to see if I could see what was going on. I think it was just arcing right to the side of the housing there. Anyways, so the Chief's annual is coming up here in a couple weeks, so I think she's gonna be grounded for a while I figure out what to do about my wiring harness, and we take care of some other stuff. For today, we're gonna stay on the ground and go hop on the Harley, and I think I'm gonna go to Tahoe. Welcome to the Trusty Aeronaut channel. Let's try this again. We're going to Alpine County Airport. It's a little airport up in the mountains, kind of southeast of Lake Tahoe. And the Chief is grounded, so we're taking the Softail. My brother is going up there with his camper box, and my other brother I think is going to fly up too. So it should be a nice evening up in the little bit higher country, and we're going to go around Lake Tahoe. Should be a good ride. Let's roll. It's just a beautiful day up here to be riding the Harley. Sometimes I like to shut her off just so you can hear the wind. Oh, look at Donner Lake down there. All right, we made it to Lake Tahoe. I took old 40 and stopped at the pub there at kind of the east, went out of the west side of Donner. Nice place to get a beer. Had some bacon rack tater tots. Just a beautiful day here at Lake Tahoe. We're at Emerald Bay, and I'm about ready to hop back on the cycle, get some gas in South Shore, and then head on to the airport. Beautiful day on Lake Tahoe. Perfect weather, perfect temperature. It isn't even too crowded. You know, normally you'd think on a Friday evening it would just be crazy up here, but I don't know, it's not too bad. All right, we're almost there. We made it up to Alpine County. Trusty old Harley was happy to be out on the road. Got my brothers here. Jesse's flying the Mooney, and Johnny's in the camper. I'm gonna go set up my tent before it gets dark. Drink some beer. I got the moon out. Just a beautiful, beautiful spot up here. Cheers. All right, we're packing up here. We had a good night's sleep. Well, a decent night's sleep. My air mattress went flat. But I think we're gonna motor for Minden and get breakfast at the Tail Dragger Cafe. Jesse can fly the Mooney over there, and it's kind of on the way home.
Stop me right here.
What do you think of this place, Dan?
Good.
Yeah. What do you got there, Brado? Harley's all loaded up. We're about to blast out of here and head to Minden. I'm hoping to beat Jesse and the Mooney. It's about a 35-minute drive for me and probably about a 10-minute flight in the Mooney, but he's still loading up, so let's roll.
You gotta wave. Wave.
We made it to Minden. I think we beat the Mooney. We'll find out. Oh, there's a nice jet. Ah, we beat him. I just got off my bike, and I think they landed right about as I was getting off. All right, we had a little situation here. Right after Jesse touched down, he felt his right tire going flat, and he was able to get the airplane off the runway with a lot of throttle and got it onto taxiway Alpha 3, but didn't want to go much farther for fear of destroying the tire. Oh, look at that thing going by. We're sitting here right off the runway. We got the kids out here. Jesse's doing some work. This thing up in the air. We should be rolling here in a few more minutes and we'll go get some lunch.
Jumpers away, kids, look straight up. We're in the best possible spot. I see guys falling.
First guy landed.
Is it a jumper crew?
Oh, he's coming in quick.
That's a nice Learjet. Lots of action up here at Minden. These guys getting ready to tune up. That sound plane's up. There they go. Alright. Ready to roll. Time for some lunch. Back on its wheels, back in service. Jesse's taking off. Where are you heading?
Grass Mountain.
Yeah, back to Grass Mountain. Where are you going, Johnny?
I think we're going through Virginia City and then come back to the Blue Canyon Airport.
Oh, Blue Canyon. Alright, yeah. I gotta hop back on the Harley and get home and take the kids to a birthday party. There goes the Mooney. He's probably gonna beat me home this time. Well, we made it home, but not with the Harley. My tire finally gave out on me. It was getting pretty worn. And I was sitting there on the side of the road trying to fill it up, and some guy stopped and picked me up and gave me a ride. So now I gotta get the truck and trailer and go back and get my bike. It's about 20 minutes up the road. There he goes. All right, we got the truck and trailer, and I got a couple helpers. We're gonna go back up Highway 20 and see if we can find the Harley. Hopefully nobody's messed with it. All right, we made it back to the Harley. I'm gonna go get her fired up and bring her
All
over.
right, there he goes. He's riding the Harley back. There goes the car. He's coming back. Woo! He got it started. Woo! Dun dun dun! Yay!
All right. The old Softail is back in the garage. Kind of embarrassed to show you guys how bad this back tire is, but it is completely gone. Look at that. I'm surprised I made it as far as I did. I knew when I left town that my back tire was a little worn, but I didn't really see any cord showing. And once we got up to Alpine County there yesterday morning, getting ready to leave, I saw a little bit of cord showing, so I knew didn't have much life left to it. All right, that's about it for this one. Thanks to the guys up at Minden, the couple guys at Soaring, Nevada up there that hooked us up with a tube. And also there was a guy in a red truck, a sailplane guy, that let us use his jack. So without their help, Mooney'd probably still be sitting up there. But it's a good reminder to check the air pressure in your tires. You know, a lot of these smaller planes, they're pretty lightweight, and so just looking at the tire, you can't really tell how much air in there. And then when you load it up, you can almost, like a Cherokee or something, you can almost double the weight of the airplane. And so you could have 8-10 pounds of pressure in your tire and not even realize it, just by looking at it. So check your air in your tires. I think on the Mooney, the air pressure was just a little bit low, and when he landed, when he touched down, it sheared the stem off. The tire itself on the Mooney was in perfect condition, and he didn't have to taxi it too far. He just got it kind of off the runway after he landed, so it didn't destroy the tire. So we were able to just put a new tube in there and get it going again. And on the Harley, well, I knew that that tire was didn't have too many more miles in it, but I can't believe how destroyed it got just during that last 100 miles home. So, and that didn't blow either. It kind of deflated pretty slow. So I'm not sure. It might have I'm not sure why it went flat, but I'll get a whole new tire and tube for that Harley, and she'll be riding again here before too long. So that's all for this one. If you like my channel, subscribe right here, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.